Hey Dill. Alright, so I'm excited to work on this one with you. I just barely tried doing it, but my phone stopped. So, you sent me a problem that was kind of like 5 plus 8i with this stuff in parentheses plus a 2 minus 3i. Okay, so this is an excellent question, and it's something that you're probably going to run into a lot with all the stuff that you have going on. The first thing I would look at is, what is this going on here? Is this addition, multiplication, subtraction, division? If it's addition, it's pretty easy, because all you need to do is just get rid of the parentheses, which leaves you with 5 plus 8i plus 2 minus 3i. Okay, you're able to do that because you're just adding everything together. You're not multiplying, so it's just addition. So now what you need to do is get similar things together. So what things are similar? What things are alike? Well, what's similar to the 5? Well, that one has an 8, but that has a letter next to it, so I don't like that one. The 2 is pretty darn similar. Yeah, that doesn't have any letters next to it. How about the 8i? Well, it's got an 8i, so hey, here's another one with an i, negative 3i. So let's get these numbers next to each other. We got a 5 plus 2 then, and a plus 8i, and a minus 3i. See how I was able to move those around? I got the 8 there, 3 there, you got it. Okay, well, let's combine like terms now. What do we get? We get 7, and what's 8 minus 3? 5i. Okay, that should be your answer. Now let me give you another case where maybe it's not addition. Maybe it'll be multiplication. Okay, let's do this one that I have up here. I'll write it down here. 4 minus 5i minus 6 minus 3i. Okay? What are we going to do here? Well, we need to get rid of the parentheses. That's going to be step 1. 1, get rid of parentheses. But in order to do that, you see right here, this needs to be an addition sign. And what is it? It's a negative sign. So in order to get rid of the negative sign, we got to distribute it into here. I don't know if they've taught you distributing, but if you got a 3 and a 6 plus 5, what you do is you do the 3 inside. What's 3 times 6? 18. Plus, what's 3 times 5? 15. Okay, so same thing here. The negative times the 6, well, it's negative 1 times 6, negative 6. And negative 1 times negative 3, you figure there is kind of a 1 there. Negative 1 times negative 3 is a positive 4i. There you go. So now all of a sudden that negative, we moved it into here, which leaves us with a positive. So now we're able to get rid of the parentheses. So 4 minus 5i plus a negative 6 plus 4i. Okay? Well, let's do the same thing, get similar terms together. We've got a 4 and a negative 6, so 4, that's minus 6. And we've got a negative 5i plus 4i. Okay, well, let's combine terms. 4 and negative 6, that gives us a negative 2, and negative 5 plus 4i. Well, negative 5i plus 4i is a negative 1i. That is your answer. Okay? The only extra thing that I could see us needing would be if it was a 4 plus 3i, let's say, and a minus 3 2 plus I. You do the same thing here, you just need to distribute that negative 3 in, because remember you need just the positive out here, that's all you want. So negative 3 plus 2, negative 3 times 2, negative 3 times 2 is negative 6, and then negative 3 times I would be negative 3i. Then you just do the same steps from there.